where God is wishing you, but you're operating at this level because of sin. Because you see what these people are eating. They're under the control of the principalities, powers, rulers of darkness, spiritual wickedness in high places. And that's where you want to function. Is it not a shame? Is it not a shame to you that you want to remain here and you say you're enjoying? How are you going to become what God wants you to be when you're operating this level? Look at where the level that God wishes you to operate. Marriage that's submitted to God of heaven, look at it. Look at the level. Far above principalities, powers, rulers of darkness, spiritual wickedness in high places. All these native doctors, all these other ones you see, would they marry? This would operate. Some of these false prophets you think they're ordinary. Look at it this way they are. Very high. Very, very high.